What?
Get out of here.
What are you doing?
What does it look like?
Huh?
Take a picture. That way you can say, hey, look what I did. It's your turn.
Yeah. You know that deal that Allied was supposed to have? You know that deal that Allied was supposed to have? I'll bet. I just can't get over this.
Go get her and tell her to hurry up and get ready and come out and jump.
Off of what? No, you're not going to jump off the roof. Give you an idea of just how deep everything is. That's the abominable whatever. Just give you an idea just how deep it is. That roof has been shoveled off twice. We've shoveled the driveway 3 times this morning. Give you an idea. Who's up there?
Are you ready?
Well, I don't know. What are you doing?
I'm not going to dive. It's too hard.
Well, whatever you're doing, go ahead.
Oh, here's the middle.
Your turn, Scott.
I don't know if I want to. Yes, you do.
I'm not that stupid.
Go, Scott, go! Go, Scott, go! Go, Scott! Chicken!
I'm going to take root, stand here waiting for you.
Well, then, turn it off.
I don't care, Lisa, it don't matter.
I will, just not now. I have to warm up.
Oh! You've been up there all day.
Paul, what was that one you did a minute ago?
Do a swan dive, Paul.
I don't dare to. It's too hard.
Do it right there.
Do it off. Hey, Paul. I thought you were going to do one into the tubes for me.
Oh, okay. The tubes are too far out.
No, sliding down like you did when we first got here.
And then down into the tubes?
Yeah.
They're too far out.
We'll get Daniel to move them closer.
Why don't you go move them?
And then move them all together, Paul, and I'll just jump in.
Tell him where you want them.
Right where you can see all my footprints. No, back. There. How are you going to kill me like that?
What?
You're going to kill me like that. Move this in. Move the top one in. I'm stuck!
Well, what I want to know is how Scott's going to get down.
I don't know, but I'll figure out a way.
Well, climb down the ladder.
Can't.
This can. Paul, what are you doing? Well, come ahead, Scott. Jump off.
Paul, do a flip.
Well, I'm,
Steady it for a few minutes. My calculations are correct.
No. Mine's the Grand Canal, so mine has to be that.
come on, Evel Knievel, hurry up.
Just turn it off for a minute. Let me get my gun.
All you gotta do is run, jump, stick out your legs. Just go.
Scott, climb down the ladder.
You know how you run off the zip line?
Paul, what are you going to do it so I can shovel a box?
Scotty's gotta do his.
Well, hurry up, Scott. You either got to do it or you're going to have to shovel the box for me.
I don't want it.
Well, then climb down the ladder. Just get off the roof.
I'm afraid to do mine.
Well, then don't do it. Don't break anything, Paul. No, Paul, straightforward jump. Just a straightforward jump, none of this fancy stuff. You break your back. But hurry up.
I wanted to do a spin.
Don't jump from there, you'll never clear the ladder.
Yeah, you will. You'll learn the neat
So it'll be like, boom.
1, 2, 3,
Not that easy.
4, 5, 6. And climb down the ladder.
I don't want to climb down.
Well, then jump down.
I don't want to jump.
Well, then stand up there and take root.
Okay. Careful.
Hurry up. I got to shovel the box.
Okay, then turn it off and go in, and I'll think about it for a while.
For a while,
Scott,
3 quick steps and jump. Scott is contemplating his imminent demise.
and I'm scared too.
I don't blame you. I don't think anybody else is as dumb as Paul. Paul, where's the shovel? Is it still up on the roof?
Scott, we're going to take a quick step and jump.
Come climb down the ladder, Scott.
Come on, get down.
Yep. That's good.
How come you're not up there, Daniel?
Then I'm chicken.
Well, then don't call him chicken.
I have to, or else he won't jump.
We didn't have to jump. He can come down the ladder.
Scott, climb down the ladder.
Come on.
Scott, just climb down the ladder.
Okay, I'm doing it, I promise.
So the longer you think about it, the harder it is.
Yes. So just
Then
go.
don't think about it. Just do it.
Every time I get the courage, I think about it. Well, just think, hey, that's it.
Well, just say, hey, I'm going down.
I'll tell Mom to send up some food for you. Get a blanket, too. It's going to get cold.
Hey, no blankets, no lunch, no water. You either climb down, you jump down, or you sit up there and freeze.
Look, that's what my brain is frozen. Look, I got my right on.
Well, they're going to think this is quite the action movie.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Scott, please. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
10,
Scott,
9.
climb down the ladder.
I want to jump.
Well, then do it.
I don't dare.
Then climb down the ladder.
10,
I'm not
But get off my roof, one way or the other.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Go!
He almost went. Okay.
Do it.
10,
Come on.
9, 8.
Go get the 22, I'll get him down.
5.
Scott? Go help him climb down the ladder, Paul.
No.
Yes.
No, he's going to jump.
He's not going to jump.
He is going to jump.
He's not going to jump.
Yes, he is.
Land on the ladder.
You won't land on the ladder, I promise you.
Scott, if you're scared, then just get down the
Yeah,
ladder.
just climb down the ladder, Scott. Don't screw around. Either jump or get down.
Jump, Scott.
Go, come on.
I'm going to give you 10 seconds and then I'll come up and throw you off.
10, 9, 8.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Must run in the family. I can remember your big brother standing waiting for hours. Ladder.
No, I'm jumping. I swear. I promise.
Help him down the ladder. I'm tired of waiting.
Guys, back up. Just back up for half a second.
Time's up.
I want to.
Well, then do it before you stand there and wet your pants. Either climb down the ladder or get down.
10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Help him down. Scott, just
There I go, Paul. I promise.
Scott, just crawl down to the bottom.
Just get out of my way. Scott, you're not going to. Get out of my way, Paul. I'm jumping. You'll go stand
Jump.
there. I'll jump.
Right here.
Okay, I will. No, he won't. He won't.
Jump from right there.
Paul,
You won't have to worry about sliding. Land in the big part. Don't land where I've been landing. Land in the big part.
Paul, come on down. Help him down.
Paul, just help him down. He's not going to jump.
He will.
No, he won't. He's not going to jump.
10.
Paul, get down and help him down. He can slide down to the bottom, put his foot on the ladder. No, he's not. He's standing there from now to March.
Scott, come on. This isn't easy.
There's no tree to climb down now, Scott. You might as well just inch your way down and come down the ladder.
Okay,
Paul, come on down first and then help him down the
are you
ladder.
ready? I'm jumping.
Whatever. I'll believe it after I see it, not before.
Okay, here I go.
Scott, you don't even
Scott, you've said that 47 times now.
put your feet here. Put one foot here and then just jump. You don't even have to.
Just go.
He'll do it.
Paul, just come on down and help him down the ladder.
Scott, come on. Can't you have me up there all day?
He'll do it.
Do you want me to call the fire department to come and get you?
Yeah.
No,
Huh?
he's going.
I will. I'll call the fire department.
Oh! Good thing you didn't land there.
Help him down the ladder.
Bad advice.
Kind of roll over onto your side.
I'm going to jump down here.
Scott, you're not going to jump. I'm telling you this, you better get off or I'm going to go call the fire department.
Scott, move that tube down
I'm
real
moving
quick.
the tubes.
I try to be a reasonable man. I give these kids the opportunity that they need to learn job skills, responsibilities. I mean, I reach out to them and help them.
to cheer him up by reminding him now. By reminding him how exciting it was on the set when his famous commercials were shot.
I'm gonna jump. I'm really gonna do it. Here I go. I'm jumping. Oh. Only I wasn't such a cowardly failure, I would do it. I mean, with a personality like mine and an advertisement to go with it, would have thought my life would end this way.
You sure said a mouthful, pal. It's too bad, though. I could make you famous. Wealthy, powerful, and greedy. Just like I did Bill Clinton. I'm afraid it's too late for that. Advertising simply isn't cut out for you. Go ahead and jump. I'll have your soul yet.
Now, Anna, is that what you really want to do?
Well,
I didn't think so.
Now hold on a minute there, sister. This one's mine. Beat it.
Well, I never.
Admiral, buddy, old pal. Let me remind you of those darn terrible, irritating, pathetic commercials that you made.
Where's Stubby?
I'm Ken Garf, and I back up every car I sell.
Fully clean. Just fully clean. You're not fully clean, and you're not successfully clean. I have 65 pounds. The best. Why do you do it? You can.
Your commercials stink.
Be gone, Valentine. I'll take over from
Works. We're not even short of words. Scott, have you got your permission slip?
Yes, sir, I certainly do.
Good. That's great.
Pardon me, silly boy. You're pardoned.
You have your permission slip. Thank you, sir.
You're very welcome.
Your name is what?
Stud.
Stud.
Uh-huh. Stud more.
Who's that hiding around the corner? There it is. Okay, now what are we going to do today, guys?
Nothing.
You mean we're not
I
going to...
thought you said you was going to drive the van.
Yeah, well, that's what I'm going to do, but what are you going to do?
We're going to tie our bikes to the bumper.
And get dragged along behind. How far are you going to go today?
50 miles, sir.
How far?
I'm probably going to go
50
about
miles,
30.
sir.
Oh, okay.
Or as long as they can.
Here we are at the start of this grand and glorious 50-miler.
Howdy, neighbor.
Howdy, neighbor.
Today we're going to be doing a little simple ride, 50 miles. No, baby. Piece of cake.
Speak up, we can't hear you.
I said piece of cake! Not now, please. I'm riding a bicycle. No
The
cake.
weather, as you can see, is not particularly
Just a second. No seconds.
bright and shining. There's peaks up under those clouds somewhere. But just to give you an idea of the kind of weather they're in. Uh-huh. Yeah, that's it. There goes the trail down that way. I don't know how good that last one was. It may have been too bright. This is our jumping off point. This is where we're going to start from. Like I said, all those clouds and everything. It's chilly this morning, but should be all right. Here's our first noble, our fearless leaders out here trying to get everything going.
Oh no, I can't go. Oh no.
Beanheads all. Yes, there's the lake. Oh yes, this looks much better now. Who knows? Oh, what's this say? Oh my. Thanks to Ed. Uh-huh. Okay, well. Any words of wisdom, Mark?
Live fast, die young. With our tongues. Got a rock in my shoe over this.
There's the tri-cake as they line up for the start. Daughter in the car following behind as we start. Very energetic so far. Very much excited about what they're doing. We'll see what happens in about 6 hours. To the 2-mile mark, they're going along at about 13 miles the hour average. They're a little slower than that right now. They're coming up on Signal Rocks. Signal Rock given that name because that's where the old pioneers used to send their kids out to build a fire on top to let them know when the brethren were coming from Salt Lake to the conferences in Tooele and Grantsville. So we're almost coming up on the junction where we'll be heading off on the old Lincoln Highway through Grantsville. It's junction where we change and no longer are we going to be heading towards Tooele. They'll turn right and head for Grantsville, passing the old Isertaff Benson Mill here in just a minute. Stansbury's right there ahead of us. The kids are still pretty bunched up. They're still working pretty good at what they're doing. There's Stansbury, and if we can pan over this way, bit, there's the old mill over there. That was property of President Benson's father, Apostle Ezra Taft Benson. So now we're off the main drag. We're on a street. Should have a lot less traffic. Now, Elder Benson's old homestead. Except for the tractor and a few things down there, it looked much like it did when Elder Ezra Taft Benson. Kids are still doing pretty good. They've gone 3 miles. And there's the old mill pond off on the left. There's legend or tradition or history or whatever you want to call it that a couple of bank robbers robbed a bank in Salt Lake and on their escape came out this way. And to try to throw the posse off that was following them, they put their horses down in here thinking it wasn't deep. And just about drowned because of the weight of the saddlebags with the stolen gold. To save themselves and their horses, they had to cut the saddlebags loose, thinking that they would be back to get them later. But they never did. So the story still goes is that there's 2 saddlebags down there in that pond, in the old mill pond, full of gold. We've seen many, many ducks. Now we're passing the famous Tooele County Airport, better known as the Ur to Pasture. Also known as the only place between Grantsville and Tooele and Ur to land your plane. Strange things out here. Kids are doing pretty well. Tyler got a little excited, put on a burst of speed, took off on a little sprint. He's about a quarter mile ahead of everybody right now, but I think we'll catch up with him eventually. Still haven't quite made it to Grantsville, but we're on our way. It's on the horizon over there. So, still look wide because there's just hardly any traffic out here. Going the same direction we're going, I don't think we've been passed by more than 5 or 6 cars at the most. Probably been 10 or 12 coming the other way, like this one. But the ones going the same direction are few and far between. Gyrations, well, they just quit. This is basically what happens when they start getting bored with the ride. They're all strung out, they've been going without hands. Looks like Mark's decided to rest his bum a minute. Ah, not only cattle country, but sheep country. Yes. Sutton's Muttons. Ah, look at the lambs. Look at the lambs. Zoom in on them a little tighter. There they are. I'm not as close to them as it looks, but again, all spread out, enjoying the ride. Beautiful morning. Songs, ducks, birds. It's been gorgeous. The outskirts of Grantsville. It's the beginnings of Grantsville civilization. The meatpacking house. All of the things that were here when I was a kid. Amazing. But here we go into Grantsville. Well, this makes it official. Down in Grantsville. Kids are going up and down the street. I'm going to get ahead of them, go up into the middle of town, and let them stop and have a drink or whatever else it might be they need. We're about 1/4 of the way on the 50-mile the Tooele County Fairgrounds. When I was a student here in Grantsville, I helped build these things. How about that? First 4th of the mission done. Here it comes. 1, 2. 4, 5. They all meet.
You should have gone
1, 2, 3, 4. Where's the 5th? Oh my! He's clear around here
I
behind.
thought I'd give him a head start.
Yeah, there you go. Well, off they go through the heart of Grantsville. There goes Brother Tyler catching up. 1/4 of the way done. Here we are in the heart of Grantsville, going